Tell me why I just took off the top of the thing trying to wipe it off. I am so slow. I need more water. I've been talking too much in these talk-throughs. This is why I can't do talk-throughs, bro. But whenever I do voiceovers, it's like I hate hearing my own voice, so it's a lose-lose situation. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing like a different type of video. I don't know if this is weird, but I'm gonna be doing a lip tutorial on how I get this color right here. This is like my classic go-to bubblegum pink lips. I'm going to leave all the products that I use down below, the lip liner, the lipstick, and the gloss. And yeah, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I achieve this look. I've gotten a lot of requests, I've gotten requested a lot of times to do a video on like how to apply lipstick perfectly or how to apply lip gloss perfectly, and I never wanted to do it because I just thought that was weird. Like a whole video about lip gloss, I mean, I would watch it, but I don't know if y'all would watch it. Side note, if you see this outfit and hair and makeup in a couple videos to come, it's because I'm pre-filming. I start school next week and I don't know when I'm going to be able to film again. So I'm just kind of pre-filming to get some videos recorded. But yeah, basically, I'm not going to talk too much. Let's get right into the lip tutorial. Okay, y'all. So to start off, you're going to want to start with some kind of like lip scrub or something. I had on lip gloss and then I just used like a towel to wipe it off, so I kind of scrubbed my lips a little bit. And you want to shave your mustache and all that. I know girls be like, oh my god, I don't have a mustache, I don't have a mustache. Everyone has a mustache, okay? I don't care if you think you're hairy or if you're not hairy. Everyone has a mustache, and the best thing you can do for yourself is to shave it. If you don't feel like exfoliating your lips or you don't have like a lip scrub, you can like use a face exfoliant on your lips, which is what I do sometimes. You can take your toothbrush and just like brush your lips after you brush your teeth, and obviously wash your toothbrush, or you can use like an eyebrow spoolie and just like, you know, just kind of scrub off the dead skin. Like my lips are already exfoliated, so yeah. So for me, it depends on what like lipstick color you're wearing. Whenever I'm doing like a bold color like red or a dark purple or something, it's almost always matte, just because I find I pull it off better that way. But when I'm wearing some sort of nude like pink or like a brownish pink or somewhere in that family, it's almost always glossy. I think especially just for dark skin girls too, like you'd be surprised how many lip colors, how many nude lip colors or bright pink lip colors you can pull off when it's glossy and not matte. It kind of makes it like, what's the word I'm looking for? It makes it look less harsh. Like if I were to use a really light nude by itself, it would look just really harsh on my complexion, but because I'm gonna like use lip liner and gloss and all that, it's gonna make it look a lot better. So pro tip. My holy grail lip liner, the lip liner that changed my life, is this one right here. It's so tiny because I've been using it for so long, but it is the NYX lip liner in the shade Nutmeg. My friends Amina and Violet put me onto this lip liner like years ago, like when I was in like 8th grade, and I've just been hooked on it ever since. I have so many lip liners, I have so many lip products. I love lipstick, I love lip gloss, but this little lip liner right here is the main thing that I use, and I've had it for years now, and it's still like, I mean, it's tiny, but I can still use it. So a common mistake that I see people make is that they use a lip liner that's too dark. The lip liner can be a little darker than you, but you never want it to be like 5 shades darker than you. You know what I'm saying? Like if you're lighter than me, I wouldn't use like a dark brown chocolate color to line your lips. Like this is how the lip liner looks. This is how it looks. It's really, really pretty. It's like a brownish red, almost purple. What's the name of this color? Like a burgundy maroon type color. This is a Wet n Wild lip liner. This is a full brown, and this is the common mistake that I see people use, is they use something too dark. So this is the Wet n Wild. Let me focus it. So this is the Wet n Wild lip liner. That right there is way too dark to be using with such a light color. You want something that is just like, just maybe 1 or 2 shades darker than your skin tone, or maybe 1 or 2 shades more red or more pink. You don't need something this dark. This is good for me. This is good for a lip liner. I wouldn't be using this. I wouldn't be using that unless you wanted like that black lip liner, clear lip gloss look, which I hate so much. It's so nasty. So I got the inspiration from using this color from Kelly Sweet. I think her makeup is bomb, and she's always wearing like this pink lip gloss kind of color, and I could just never find one to suit me completely. They're either all too ashy, or they're too pink, or they're too brown. And so I kind of had to mix it and make it work to find the color for me. But I'm really happy because what I have is now very similar to the pink color that Kelly Sweet wears, and I love it so much because it's so natural. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's not too brown, it's not too dark. So I'm just gonna draw over the Cupid's bow. I shouldn't have made this a talk through tutorial if it's gonna be about lips. Like, that was not smart of me. So another tip is to do like the corners of your mouth. Don't fill in your lip with this. You're gonna mess it up. Just do like the corners. You want it to be like almost like how you do an ombre lip. That's what you're going for. So just do the corners. I remember when Kylie first came out with her lip kits, then everybody got so obsessed with lip liner. Me too. I used to hate lip liner. I used to never line my lips. I would just slap on lip gloss and call it a day. I still do that, but this lip liner right here is the truth. Man, you're gonna like rub it in so it looks more natural. That's the base. You can just put clear lip gloss over this if you want to, but I want like that pink look. Step number 2 is a lipstick. This lipstick right here is so bomb. I love this lipstick. I have a lot of nude lipsticks actually. Thumbs up this video if you guys want to see like the best nudes for dark skins type video, because I have a lot of nude lipstick. But this one has been my current fave. It's from e.l.f. I'm pretty sure this is their moisturizing longwear lipstick, and you can get it from Walmart or Target, but this is in the shade Blushing Brown. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's really pretty, like a rose color. So that's the lipstick right there, and that is my lip liner. Y'all can see if I had used that pink with this brown, it would have looked like too much of a difference. These two are closer in color, so that's why I'm using these two together. So now I'm just gonna apply this all over my lips, not just in the center. I hate it when people just like dab lipstick in the center and call it a day. Like, you need to apply it all over your lips. So this is the lipstick by itself. You can leave it like this if you want, but I always do gloss over top. So for the start of the show, the lip gloss, this is the one I'm gonna be using. I get a lot of questions, not just like on social media, but in real life, as to what lip gloss I use, and I have like 30 lip glosses. So I just use whichever one I'm feeling. This one is my actual favorite. This is the LA Colors Glossy Lips one, and it has this like slant tip applicator, so it makes application really easy. And this one is not sticky at all. Like, I've tried a lot of lip gloss and a lot of them will be sticky, and you don't want that because it's gonna mess up the color. This one's not sticky at all, but I'm actually not gonna be using this one because like I don't want to get my lipstick on this white cotton part because it's really hard to get off. But this is my favorite. But for this specific look, I'm gonna be using some Beauty Supply lip gloss, girl. This is the NK Makeup Lip Gel with vitamin E, and it's obviously just the clear one. What you're gonna do, you wanna squeeze the lip gloss out the squeezy tube, and you're gonna put it on your lips starting in the middle. And you're gonna gently spread it. Don't like push it in there and like start rubbing. You're gonna mess it up. You wanna like gently spread it, like a layer over top, like paint it over is what I'm trying to say. Right now, obviously looks really nasty. Tell me why I just took off the top of the thing trying to wipe it off. I am so slow. Here on my hand, you can see the lipstick on my skin without any gloss over top, and if I hold it up to my mouth, you can see that the lip gloss kind of meshes the lip liner and the lipstick together, so it gives me like an in-between color. So it's a little bit chunky, so I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna rub it together. Don't like mush your lips together and like grind it, because you're gonna mess up the color. And especially if you're wearing a lot of lip gloss like I am, it's gonna like have ridges, you know what I'm saying? Like it won't look smooth. So use your finger and just gently spread it. Let me turn towards the light more so the light can reflect off my lip gloss. So yeah guys, this is the finished product, and this has been my go-to lip combination for basically all of summer. I need more water. I've been talking too much in these talk throughs. This is why I can't do talk throughs, bro. But whenever I do voiceovers, it's like I hate hearing my own voice, so it's a lose-lose situation. Like I really feel like one day I'm gonna come out with my own line of lip gloss, because I love lip gloss. I really do, especially like when your hair looks kind of wet and you're wearing lip gloss. Like it's just so pretty. I really hope you guys enjoyed this lip tutorial or whatever. Let me know if you want me to do any more of these, or like if a lipstick line comes out or something, like Fenty Beauty or something, if you want me to like swatch the lipsticks and stuff, because I actually really do like lipstick and lip liner and gloss and all that. And yeah, that was this video. If you liked it, leave me a comment and I will see you in my next video. Bye.